everyone. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the AI modeling tools we commonly use. Take a look at these two. They are both generated from reference images. Then, we meticulously utilize this advanced web-based artificial intelligence generation tool to precisely create these impressive and detailed results. As for the website, just use this one. You can enter the address and check out the site yourself. As for the images, I just randomly picked these two for demonstration. They're just this kind of pictures. So when using it, we can drag these two images into our own folder. Then click on this single image. Then find this one. Just pick any image and drag it over. After that, just click on Generate. After you click Generate, it might take a few minutes, about 2 to 5 minutes to finish. Once everything is generated, it will show up here, since I'm also using this image right now. And over here, there's also this custom option, but we don't need to worry about that for now. Just keep it at the default. Next is the format. There are also several formats to choose from, but here we can just use the default GLB, or USD is fine too. Then click Download, and once it's downloaded, you'll get a file in the GLB format. Then go back to Blender. Just drag it directly in and click Import. As for these types of constructed models, as long as you don't look too closely, like zooming in to this level of detail, the level of detail is actually pretty good, for example, if you use them as props in a scene. That's all for this episode. I hope you all enjoyed it.